As you think, so you become. Seems to be a really nice saying, but based on my own experience, this is so true. Think back when you said, I will do this no matter what. On the other hand, think back when you said, I don't think this is gonna be done. I don't think I'll be able to do this. In which case do you think you had better chance to get it done? Obviously, of course, in the first case. Today we're talking about changing your mindset to double your money. It could really be triple your money, but in general is multiply your money. First, I'll discuss mindset in general, and then we'll go deeper into money mindset. Let's get right into it. Why do some people succeed in life and some don't? Is it because of their relatives? Is it because of their parents? Maybe in some cases, but in most cases not. Take this stat for example. 80% of millionaires are first generation. And that's according to Dr. Stanley, the author of the very popular book, The Millionaire Next Door. So that means it is very possible. Anyone, and I mean anyone, could become a millionaire. I want to bring a few examples of people that have started from zero and have achieved massive success in this life. Oprah Winfrey, Steve Jobs, Sam Walton, the founder of Walmart, Vladimir Yovu. I'm not as popular as those guys, but I'm doing pretty well. I came in this country with $1,000 to my name, and now I live a life that many would only dream about. My favorite quote related to mindset is, they can because they think they can. I truly embraced this quote, and anytime I feel that I cannot do it, this quote pops right into my mind. And the result is that I get it done. I get it done no matter what. Here is my suggestion related to this topic. Change from things are hard, it is impossible, to everything is figure-outable. You can figure anything out. 100% possible 100% of the time. And as I did, I suggest you to find your favorite quote that would put you in this state of mind. Now we're gonna talk about money mindset. What has been your experience about money as you grew up? Please let me know in the comments below. Did you hear that money doesn't grow on trees? Did you hear that money is evil? Did you hear that only crooks have money? Did you hear that you have to work till your eyes bleed for that $1? Or did you hear that money is easy to earn? Anyone can earn a lot of money. You do not have to struggle to earn money. You have to work smart, not hard. Money is units of freedom. Money gives you the freedom that everyone strives for. Personally, I used to hear this from my dad a lot. 0 plus 0 equals 0. And I guess what he meant by that is that you really have to work hard to earn that little money. Here is my suggestion related to money mindset. Change your mindset, change your attitude from money is evil, money doesn't grow on trees, money is hard to earn, to money is energy, money is easy to earn, money allows me to make a big impact in the world. One example here, money allowed me to buy a nice computer, to buy a great camera, to buy all this equipment, to make this video, and in turn help a lot of people with my message. Before anything takes place in your life, it first has to take place in your mind. Just like this YouTube channel, before it came to life, it first took place in my mind. And most importantly, I believed it is possible. Of course, I had those thoughts as to, why should I do this? There are others that are doing this already. What if I make myself look like a fool in front of many people? But I stopped all those thoughts and brought back my favorite quote related to mindset. They can because they think they can. And this YouTube channel came to life. What is one thing in your life that you have been putting off? Please let me know in the comments below. And also let me know in the comments below how you can change your mindset around it so you can make that one thing happen. Another way to earn a lot of money is to truly embrace your uniqueness and find your purpose in life. Watch this video right here where I explain how I found my purpose in life. I'll see you next time.